Hey there, my beautiful people. It just feels so good to bring you yet another video on all things that are good for you. We hope you have as much fun in watching our videos the way we have super fun in making them for you. Welcome back to the Holistic Collective. And today's video is really very exciting because we will be talking about an amazing idea on how to lose weight in just 5 days. But before we begin, please take a moment and click on the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also, do remember to check out our affiliate products in the description below. Now that you are done subscribing to the Holistic Collective, we promise you will love every bit of our videos, so let's get right into them. This 5-day diet we will be speaking about is not just any ordinary diet, but it is a super easy liquid diet. Yes, you heard that right. And because it is a liquid diet, there is a fair chance of you being able to lose up to almost 10 kilos in just 5 days. If life was only simple as this diet. But hey, do not worry, we got you. We are here to make life simpler for you when it comes to your overall health and wellness. So this diet plan not only helps you get rid of that extra body fat and water weight, but it also helps you become slimmer and helps balancing your hormones, which tend to be all over the place with our crazy work schedules and complex life. Good news is, this diet is just the opposite of complex. So all you have to do is replace your solid food intake with a variety of liquids like juice, smoothies, soups, water, tea, coffee, etc. Remember, you cannot cheat on this diet plan. So that means you cannot be eating any rice, breads, pizzas, pasta, lentil or veggies and stuff for the next full 5 days. We have put together a few things which you can consume while on this amazing liquid diet and how to go about it the correct way. So let's dive straight into the details. So let's start by fixing a time in the morning. We are considering 8 a.m. in the morning as a breakfast time, which is more or less the standard time that most of us feel hungry. But you can choose whatever time suits you the best as per your daily routine. Now, the first thing you need to do is start your day with a cup of turmeric bullet coffee, or some even refer to this as bulletproof turmeric coffee. That is one hell of a name, I must say, and surely there's also a strong reason behind this. So this kind of coffee is a low-carb, nutritious drink that helps you kickstart your day. It is loaded with the goodness of antioxidants and healthy fats. Both of these boost your immune system, and this works as a decent meal replacement. The recipe is super simple. Let's see how to make this cup of yummy and smooth as silk coffee. Pick a good quality of ground coffee powder and not instant coffee. Always buy organic products if possible. The ingredients you will need are coffee powder, of course, warm or hot water, virgin coconut oil, unsalted butter or clarified butter, also known as ghee, turmeric, again, organic if possible. If you have a coffee maker, you can use that, or even a regular saucepan or just any vessel in which you can make it will do. So add about a cup or a cup and a half of water to 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Heat it to the required temperature you prefer and make a basic coffee the way you normally would. Now add the coffee to a blender and pour in 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. To this, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter or clarified butter, that is ghee. And for the star ingredient, a pinch of turmeric. Blend all this goodness for about 20 to 30 seconds and voila! Your silky, creamy, smooth, golden turmeric bullet coffee is ready. This divine concoction will leave you feeling energetic and keep you full for a long time. It also helps in curbing those early morning hunger cravings, and the magic it does to your brain is amazing. Now, the round 2 of your liquid diet is around 11 a.m. You can have a juice of your choice. You can pick from a full fruit or vegetable juice. You can either make it yourself or buy it ready-made from a store. But the main point you need to remember here is this juice should not contain any added sugars. Most people choose orange juice because it not only is one of the most favorite juices, but also recommended since it has vitamin C. It is very low in calories and has zero fat, which totally helps you in your weight loss. For those who are diabetic, you have the option of either tomato or carrot juice. Now the next liquid meal is straight away for lunch. This could be around 1 p.m. Lunch for us will be a soup. You can have any soup if you wish. like a tomato soup or a pumpkin and sweet potato soup or a mixed vegetable soup or even a lentil soup will do. For those of you who are non-vegetarian, you can have a chicken, mutton or lamb soup. Now the only thing you need to remember that no matter which soup you have, there cannot be any solid chunks in them. No vegetable or meat pieces. The soup has to be blended and purely in liquid form. You can strain it if you wish to avoid pieces. It can also be a clear soup. For flavor, you can add herbs or spices of your choice and perhaps Himalayan pink salt. Some common spices that add flavor to simple soups are black pepper powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic, paprika or chili powder, etc. Avoid using MSG or Ajinomoto because it leads to water retention and bloating. With this soup meal, have your regular multivitamin tablet. Always buy a good quality multivitamin, or you can even ask your doctor to recommend something. Your next meal will be after 2 hours, that is 3 pm. Have a cup of green tea. We are sure most of you already have green tea, so anyone you like is good. You can also have matcha tea. The help green tea gives in weight loss is known to all. It helps in reducing body fat, especially belly and abdominal fat. It helps to boost your metabolism and improves overall insulin activity. Your next meal will be at 5 pm after 2 hours. Now you can have a glass of moringa smoothie. Moringa powder is easily available in the market. Again, try to pick an organic brand. You can make this too in a blender. It is super simple. Use 1 tablespoon of moringa powder, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup and 3/4 of a glass of almond soy or regular skim milk. Blend all to form a creamy, yummy smoothie. The sweeteners like honey and maple syrup are optional. Moringa is super good for you. It is 25% protein, 24% fiber and also has chlorogenic acid. It works very similar to green coffee. It acts as a fat burner. Did you know that consuming moringa powder helps you lose actual weight and not only water weight? This simply means that the weight you lose does not come back, but you also need to follow a balanced diet along with this. Now, the last meal for the day is your dinner, which will be around 7 pm. Just like you did for lunch, even for dinner, you will have any soup of your choice. Remember the same rule for soups, which is no chunks, which you will bite into or chew. Just plain liquid strained or blended soup only. Now after you have followed all of this to the T, the last drink of the day will be a cup of green coffee. We have discussed the goodness and benefits of green coffee in detail in another of our videos. But just a few main points: that green coffee has chlorogenic acid which promotes fat burning. It also is a natural diuretic, which means it removes extra water from a body and reduces bloating. Now, along with this liquid diet, remember to keep having ample amount of water through the day and stay hydrated. Apart from the drinks we mentioned to you, the other options while you are on this liquid diet are coconut water, salted buttermilk, lemon water, spirulina shake, almond milk, soy milk, regular tea and coffee, etc. But no added sugars, please. Aerated and carbonated drinks, energy drinks, iced tea drinks with added sugar, flavored milk, alcohol, wine, raw or cooked vegetables, cheese, fruits, mashed foods or any solid food are a big, strict no while on the liquid diet. We recommend the liquid diet plan for 5 days, but if it suits you, you sure can continue it for a few days more. 1 week is okay, but maybe not more than a week. At the end of this liquid diet, you will feel refreshed, your mind will be more clear and focused, a lot of your bloating will have gone. You surely will feel more energetic and less lethargic. This liquid diet is known to be safe for PCOS and type 2 diabetes, but as we always do suggest, check with your doctor first if you have any of these or other conditions or illnesses before you start on any new diet plan. And along all this, remember what we always say: work out regularly, get enough sleep, avoid stress, and never forget to smile.